one of our favorites to play, at least one of my favorites to play. Ian wrote a long time ago, back when he was down in Nashville, Tennessee, late night, train going by and making a sad, sad sound. And this one's called Train Makes a Sad, Sad Sound.
Took that boxcar line, but I've stayed up till that southern sun came on up, and I heard freight number 805. Well, it winds its way down through the mountains, across the river and over the land. Well, that whistle just makes me miss you even more than I can. Makes a sad, sad sound. It's that hill out on 15 South, and I'm listening to that train and I'm singing the song. There's no way that I'm sleeping now. Well, I wish it was heading homeward, so I could jump right on, and I'd ride it 1,000 miles to love you all night long. It pains to be so lonesome and not have you around. Well, it's true what they say about feeling blue, feeling down. Well, that train makes a sad, sad sound. Well, that train makes a sad, sad sound. Well, that train makes a sad, sad sound. Hey, thanks, guys.